my family needs a ton of prayers from you guys. So my cousin Bobby, he's currently in the hospital. If you've been following me on Instagram, he's had a lot of digestive issues throughout his life, but today he's currently on surgery number 3. His wife and his 4 kids are in Houston. They're from Arizona, so they, packed up everything and they're in Houston. So my family, Bobby's family in particular, my cousin, they need tons of prayers. I also started a meal train. So what's different about this meal train is it's strictly just gift cards. So I'm going to leave that linked below. If you guys at all want to help out, I don't know, if you want to cash in your Ibotta gift cards and send over any type of meal gift cards, all the info will be in the meal train. If you are sending something over to them, just let them know, hey, I'm a part of Gina's crazy coupon family. So I just think that'll be so amazing that Bobby can be getting this support from people across the whole entire country. So I'll leave that linked below if you guys want to go and help out. But number 1, prayers, please send those to them. And if you guys have any extra in your Ibotta accounts for Target or Walmart, all the info will be below. I talked to my aunt and she said that around Houston, they have a Target and a Walmart, but inside their Walmarts, there are like food courts. There's like a Taco Bell inside. There's a Chick-fil-A around, but I didn't know that you can't just email Chick-fil-A gift cards. So you can't email Chick-fil-A gift cards, but you can send, Starbucks gift cards, all sorts of stuff. So all of the info will be below if you guys want to help. It's not you don't have to, but I absolutely am going to share I'm going to share my social media outlet with them, and if you guys at all have any interest in wanting to help them out and help my family out, I will have that linked below. So now let's go ahead and get into CVS. Okay guys, so the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on Burt's Bees. So they are on a spend 15, get $5 back in extra care bucks. So Burt's Bees is a great cosmetic line. Use a CRT, so I have a 4 off 15, there was a 2 off 12, and then Ibotta has some rebates you can go ahead and add and redeem. So there's $2 off for the lipsticks, the lip glosses, the mascara, the eyeliner, the foundation, the blushes, everything. So this would be a nice time to try some Burt's Bees and check out in your stores. My stores had little peely coupons, but the tear pads are all gone right now, but this is a great time to try out Burt's Bees Cosmetics if you guys have been curious about it. Okay, so this next deal is going to be on the Irish Spring body washes. So these guys are priced for $3.99 and everyone's going to get $1.50 off one. So everyone's going to get $1.50 extra care buck when you buy one. It's a limit of 4. So it makes these $2.49. Now, I would not recommend this deal because that's still pretty high out of pocket. Even if we have an insert coupon coming, I checked the preview, but today is Tuesday, so the preview is not up. But the preview might have $1 off for the Irish Spring, but even so, it would still make them $1.49 after, if there's a $1 off coupon coming, if that makes any sense. But even with the CRT with body wash, I still don't think that is a great deal. So I definitely would pass on Irish Spring this week. I don't think that's a very good deal. Yeah, so that's just my opinion. I would pass on Irish Spring. So when you're seeing this in the ad, I would absolutely pass on that. Hey guys, so the Got To Be stylers, these guys are priced 2 for $9 on sale, and you're gonna get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2. So it drops them down to us down 2 for $5 or $2.50 each, which is great. And you guys could also combine any CRTs you may have for hair care as well for this deal. But it's a limit of 1, but you would have to add in some more hair care brands into it to get to that 18 requirement to use that CRT. Alright you guys, so we have another deal on Speed Stick. So it's on Speed Stick Men's and Speed Stick Lady. So they are priced for 2 for $5.50. And you're going to get a $2.50 extra care buck when you buy 2. So final cost would be 2 for $3. So if you got that $1 off any deodorant CRT that printed, then it drops down to 2 for $2 or $1 each. Now what's going to make this better if there's going to be an insert coupon. So if there's an insert coupon, it's going to make for a really great deal. I will go ahead and pin a comment if the insert preview shows up so I can match some coupons for you guys. But if you have that $1 off one CRT, you definitely could pair it here, and it makes the deodorants $1 each. Hey, you guys, I'm serious. there was a 4-off-1 Listerine printable coupon for the Healthy White. So there's not going to be a deal on this starting, but go and print that coupon, because the last time I did this deal, you guys are like, Gina, no, it's a $2 coupon. No, when I saw the coupon, it was a $4 coupon. So it is back on coupons.com. So print that coupon and hold on to it for another Listerine deal, because 4-off-1 is great. And I've been using the Healthy White and actually really like it. So print that coupon and hold on to it. You guys, so we have a deal on the Colgate Max Fresh. So the Colgate Max Fresh is on sale for $3.49, and everyone's getting a $2 instant coupon that's printing from the red machine, and there's going to be a 50-cent off 1 coupon coming in the 1014 Smart Source. So that makes this guy 99 cents. So a lot of us couponers, we will not, pay for toothpaste. A lot of us don't pay for toothpaste, but I'm going to add this deal in as well as that Speed Stick deal, because honestly, you guys, so many people watch these videos, and I might be having a college student watching this video, and when I was in college, if I could get toothpaste for 99 cents, that was a win for me. If I could get deodorant for $1, that was a win for me. So even if this deal maybe doesn't apply to you, it might apply to someone else watching this video. So that's why I'm going to add this in, because we're all in different stages of couponing. So yeah, and also I just want to add, sometimes I'm not able to give you guys all of the info and breakdowns on like coupon inserts and whatnot, because I am a mom of 3 and I do have a life outside of couponing. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if I ever comment to you saying check coupontom.com, it's because that's the best source that you're gonna find if I don't give you an actual insert of where the coupon comes from. So when I don't know where a coupon's from, that's where I go. And if I'm responding to you telling you check coupontom.com, that's me advising you to try to search this stuff on your own and not just wait on me, because I don't know when I'm going to respond. So if you don't want to wait for my response, check coupontom.com. So that's just my little tip for you guys today. Hey guys, so we have a fantastic deal on the Always Radiance pads and also the Tampax. So these guys are on sale 2 for $8, and inside the CVS app we have a 3-off-2 coupon inside the CVS app. So if you don't know how to use your CVS app, I always have a video in the description box explaining how to use it. So with that, it would come out to 2 for $5 or $2.50 each, which I think for Always is a pretty good deal. Now, if you have a 3-off-2 CRT for pads or tampons, because I had that CRT, these would be 2 for $2 or $1 each, which I think is a great deal. So if you need to stock up on some feminine care, I think this is a really great deal for Always. Regular price on this is $5.99, so getting it down to $2.50 or even $1 is great. Okay, so it's been a while since we've had a Huggies deals. The Huggies packages, these guys are on sale 2 for $20, and you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2. So you'd buy 2 for $20, you get that $5 extra care buck. So final cost would be 15 for 2 or $7.50 each. So check the pinned comment of this video to see if there are going to be any insert coupons coming, because there might be. And then if you have a CRT for diapers, so I had a 3-off-15 that printed for me this week, then that would apply here. Okay, so the Rachel Ray brand dog food again, these are on a spend $12, get $3 back in extra care bucks, and we currently have printable coupons on coupons.com for Rachel Ray. So you can do it on the dog food, you can do it on the cat food, and there's also some printable coupons for the Rachel Ray wet food for cats, and then there's also one for dog food. So CVS sometimes has pet deals, so yeah, this would be a nice time to stock up on some pet food. You guys asked me for cat deals and pet deals, so if I find a good one, then I'm going to share it with you guys. I have a household deal this week. So when you spend $20 or more on Cottonelle, Scott, Ajax, and Kleenex, you're going to get a $5 CVS extra care buck. I almost said Target gift card. We're not at Target, we're at CVS. Okay, so the Cottonelle toilet papers, these are $9.99, and the Cottonelle toilet paper and the Scott toilet paper, they are on sale for $9.99, and there was a 50-cent off 1 coupon for the Cottonelle and a 25-cent off coupon for the Scott in the 10/7 Smart Source, and there are some rebates. So there's a $2 checkout 51 and there's a $2 savings star, but I'm pretty sure you can't combine both of those rebates, but there are rebates currently that you can get cash back. And then also, just to mention, I think that the Ajax at 99 cents is a great buy. So if you need some dish soap, get Ajax for 99 cents. And you guys, I use dish soap not only on my dishes, but you guys know I use it to clean my sink, I use it to clean my stove because it is a degreaser. So this is definitely a good deal for 99 cents. Alrighty, you guys, so Lysol is on a buy one get one free sale. So anything Lysol is buy one get one free, and we have insert coupons from the 9:30 Smart Source. So you can use a coupon on a free item here at CVS. So you absolutely could use 2 coupons with this buy one get one free sale. If you have any CRTs for Lysol or home cleaners, you could absolutely use it here. I personally don't use Lysol, but I know some of you guys do, so I'm going to add it in there because not everyone is on, you know, the Grove Collaborative train like me. I love Grove Collaborative, but if I can see a deal for buy one get one free, I'm going to share with you guys because I think that that sale is really going to help a lot of households. Okay, so we have a deal on K-Cups. So this is going to be on the McCafe K-Cups, also the McCafe bagged coffee, as well as the Gevalia K-Cups and the Gevalia bagged coffee. So these guys are on a buy 2 get $1 back in extra care bucks, and they're on sale for $4.99. So right off the bat, the sale price for the K-Cups are great because the Gevalia is $9.99 and the McCafe is $9.99. So you're basically getting a 50% off sale price. So basically you're getting 2 for less than the cost of 1 regular price, if that makes any sense. So let's do quick math. So $4.99 times 2 is $9.98, and then you get $1 back, so it's $8.98 for the both of them. If you were to come to CVS this week and just buy 1 regular price, you would pay $9.99 for 1 box, and next week you're going to get 2 for less than the cost of 1. So this is a great deal. And the bagged coffees also are, I never realized how expensive the bagged coffee was here. The Gevalia bagged coffee is $9.29, and the McCafe bagged coffee is $9.99 as well. So this is such a hot deal. Right, college students, I hope you are listening. The Progresso soups are on sale for $1.49. So if you're living in a dorm, microwave is the way to go. So $1.49 at CVS. Go and get your cosmetics. Use your ECBs to come and buy yourself some dinner. So when I was in college, this is how I rolled in the couponing department. I bought makeup that produced extra care bucks, and then I went and bought food. That's how college students survive these days, right? Alright, you guys, so Hershey candies this week. So your Reese's, your Kit Kats. I love me a good freaking Kit Kat. And look, they have glow in the dark wrappers this week. Yes, or this year. So they are priced 3 for $3, and everyone's gonna get a 3 off 3 instant coupon. And there's also a $1.50 coupon coming in our inserts, or you can use the $1 off 2 coupon from the 9:23 Smart Source. So final cost is going to be a 3 for just $4.50. And then if you have any CRTs for Hershey candy specifically, no. If you guys get any CRTs that are specifically for Kit Kat or specifically for Reese's, you absolutely could stack it here. But this is a great deal. This is just going to be, you know, the month of the candy deals. So this is great. Okay, so Mars candies this week. So we're talking Snickers, we're talking Three Musketeers, Milky Way, M&M's. They are priced 3 for $8, and there was a 2 off 3 coupon that came in the 10/7 Retail Me Not, and there's a $2 extra care buck when you buy 3. So it makes them 3 for I can't count. 8 minus, this is my real life, guys. Like, this is why my husband does the bills, because I literally can't count. Okay, $2 extra care buck minus 2, so now we're at 6. Minus 2 is 4. Yay! 3 for 4. So final cost is gonna be 3 for 4. And then if you have any specific CRTs for any of the candy brands, then you absolutely could stack it here. So I never made an outro to this video, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and again, I'll have that meal train below if you guys want to go ahead and help out my cousin and his family. And as always, prayers and even a share would mean the world. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.